So continuing from the previous video, uh, so I was proportioning the uh, budgets of activities. So this 400 for 4 days, and then it will start at here. Activity E. 400 is 100, 100, 100, 100, and then for activity F, 100 is here. Activity G, 200 over 3 days. So 200 over 3 days. Okay. So activity G is here. Activity G will be here. 200 over 3 days. So it will be 66, 66, 66, 67. So I will take just rounded numbers, 66, 66, 67. So they are approximately equal. And then H is 400 over H is here. H is here. 400 over 5 days. So it will be 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. And I will be 100 for 2 days. So it will be 50 each. So it will be here 50, 50, and J will be 100 on the last day. Okay, so after doing this, then the next step is to find the daily budgets. So for the first day it will be 150 plus 100, 250. Second day it will be also 250. Okay, and similarly this daily budget will be calculated. So in this way the daily budget has been calculated, and the next step is to find the cumulative daily budget. By cumulative daily budget means for the first day it will be 250, for the second day it will be previous day's budget, cumulative budget, plus this day's budget, so it will be 500. So this will be cumulative. Then again 750, and then 750 plus 350, it will be 1100. So similarly the budget for other days will be calculated. So in this way daily budget and cumulative daily budget has been calculated. So the next step is to find the planned value and the earned value. So for this we have to look at the status date. Status date is by the end of first week 5 days. So for example status date is here. So by the end of the status date the planned value is 1580. Okay, so the planned value is 1580. So the planned value is $1,580. So let's find the earned value. So the earned value we will find from this table. Okay, so it was said that activity A 100% complete. So the earned value for activity A will be 600. That means 100% of this budget. This is also 100%, so it will be 300. 100% will be 150. This was only 10% completed, so it will be 75. this was 30% completed, so it will be 30% of 400 is 120. This was 100% completed, so it will be 100, and the rest is 0 completed, so we can calculate the total earned value. So it is equal to 1345. Yes, 1345. And the actual cost we can simply add these values. So if we add these values, actual cost 850, 950, 1010, then it will be 1160, and then 1210. So in this case, you can say that $1,210. So for this status, the cost variances. So the cost variance will be equal to 5. It will be 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus 2 is 5. So cost variance is 135. And the schedule variance will be equal to 1345 minus 1580. So it will be equal to 1345 minus 235 minus $235. Okay, so cost performance index will be equal to earned value 1345 divided by the actual cost 1210. 1345 divided by 1210 equal to 1.111. So it will be equal to 1.112, and the schedule performance index is equal to 1345 divided by 1580. $0.851. Okay, and we can also calculate the estimated completion, so which is equal to the budgeted completion divided by the cost performance index. So budgeted completion is 3100, which is the last value for the cumulative daily budget 3100, or alternatively we can add all these budget values for these activities, so it will be 3100 divided by the cost performance index. It was 1.1. So 3100 divided by 1.22 equal to 2787. So 2787.8, and the estimate to complete will be equal to the estimated completion 2787 0.8 minus the actual cost, which is 1210. Minus 1210. That means this is the remaining cost which needs to be completed, which is equal to the 1577. 1577.8. So these are the normally some of the calculations which are performed in the earned value management. In fact, there is some more. Maybe you can also calculate at the variance at completion. That means how much cost is different at the completion. So which is equal to earned estimated completion minus the budgeted completion. So estimated completion was 2787. Sorry, which will be equal. This will be equal to variance of completion will be equal to budget at completion minus estimated completion. So budget at completion was 3100 minus 3100 minus 2787.8. So this is the variance at completion. $312.2. So actually the question says that draw an earned value chart for the end of the first week, assuming the time proportionality rule. So this chart can be drawn by using this data on the daily basis, and one can draw this chart on Microsoft Excel. So for example, if this is the days and then this is the here you have the costs, so you may have this chart for the planned value, and in the present situation the earned value was higher than the actual cost and planned value was the highest. So for the planned value and the earned value we only have one value. We have continuous values for the planned value for day 1, day 2, day 3. So these are the values. But for the earned value, the actual cost, we only have one value by the end of day 5. So earned value will be something like this, and the actual cost will be something like this. Okay, in this case. So I am not drawing, I'm not plotting it on Microsoft Excel, but I'm just showing you and just telling you you can do by yourself by plotting these values, earned value, and then this will be the actual cost. So we have only one value for earned value and the actual cost. And remember that we are drawing the cumulative values. Why do we do the cumulative values? Cumulative values give you the status for the whole project. If you don't take the cumulative values, then you cannot get the status for the whole project, but that will be just for that part for which you are taking the value, or maybe one activity or two activities. Okay, so it is important to have a cumulative view in earned value management, and that will give you the status for the project. Okay, so that's all for this